Hey guys, this is how to fix Amazon Fire TV app not working. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss multiple solutions, and for Apple users, I will show a step-by-step guide on the left side of the screen. So for the first solution is just simply go to the Google Play Store and go for the search at the bottom, and at the top, just simply go for the search bar and search for the app allocation. And now guys, just simply tap on the app, and when there is an update, you should be able to update it over here. And now, just simply tap on the three dots on the top right and make sure to enable the auto update so you won't have any issue. Now, guys, once you have ensured that you are running the latest versions, just simply go to the settings into your device and just simply scroll down. And after that, just simply go for the apps. And now from here, guys, just simply go ahead and go for the Fire Stick application and try to find it over here and tap on it. And now from here, go for the storage and tap on clear cache and you should be able to fix it if you run the app. If it still doesn't, just simply go back over here and tap on clear data and tap on OK and you should be able to get it working and you should be able to reset the app. Now, the next solution is just simply hold the application and just simply tap on uninstall and tap on OK. And from there, just simply go back to the Google Play Store and install it back again into your device. So just simply reinstall it into your device. And there you go. If you still have issues with the app, feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to help you out. See ya.